Assalamu alaikum students. I am back with one more question of your EOY paper, and you all know that we are solving some questions from your EOY end of year paper. So this is question number 16 of that paper, and in this question we have two triangles, and these two triangles are similar, and the lengths are in centimeters. We have to find the variables. We have to find A and B, the value of A and B. Since you can clearly see the word similar means this question is from the topic similarity and congruence, and we know that since these two are similar triangles, the shape of these two triangles will be same but the length will be different. So as you can see that this triangle is a bit smaller and this is a bit bigger triangle, but the first step of solving this type of question is that you have to draw a figure, and that figure should be of two similar triangles. So I am taking this triangle, I am considering this shape, and I have drawn it over here like this, and I will just exactly draw a bigger version of this triangle just next to this triangle, so that I can correlate with these two triangles and I can see that which two sides are corresponding, and I can make ratios to find the value of A and B. You know that these two triangles are similar, so we have to take the use or we can say that we have to take the help of ratios, corresponding side ratios to find the value of A and B. So this is my smaller triangle and this is my bigger triangle. So first I will start off with this angle. So since I have drawn this triangle exactly over here, so I will just mark this angle right here. These are the two, you can say, brackets. So this one is this. Since these are similar triangles, so this angle will be equal to this angle because these are similar triangles, and you know that in similar triangles the corresponding angles are equal. So now I will mark this angle. This will be this one, so automatically this will be equal to this one. This is the method of drawing the figure and marking the angles, because we have to use the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles. So it is easier for us to draw a figure exactly like these. You have to pick one triangle and then you have to draw another triangle like that, and then you mark out the angles. So now the angles have been marked. This angle is equals to this angle, so I have drawn both the angles on one side. This angle and this angle is equal, this angle and this angle is equal. So now we are moving on to the sides. So the side which is joining these two angles is 4, so I will just write 4 over here, and the side which is joining these two angles is 7, so I will write 7 over here, and the side which is connected to this angle is 5, so I will just write 5 over here, and again the side which is connected to this angle is A, so I will write A over here, and the last is this one is B, so I will write B in the smaller triangle, and in the bigger triangle this side is 10.5, so I will write 10.5 over here. This is the very important step because you have to draw the figure exactly and then you have to label it. Now we can go for the ratios, and it will be very much easy for us to write the ratios since we have drawn the figure. First I will be finding out the value of A. I will be going for A, so I will write A over here. I am finding the value of A, and for A I have to make a corresponding ratio. I know that this side, the side of the bigger triangle is A, so I will write A, and then I will compare this side with the other side of the smaller triangle. So if this is A and this is 5, so I will write A upon 5. I will just compare the corresponding side ratios, and I will take one more side. Since I have taken the bigger triangle first, so I will just write 7. So 7 will be in the numerator, and since I am taking this side, so I must take this side. Okay, this side is corresponding to this side. Since I am taking this side, so I will just compare it with this its corresponding side, which is exactly this one. So just I will write 7 upon 4, and now I will just use cross multiplication technique to find the value of A. A will be equals to this 5 will go on this side and it will get multiplied with 7. So it will be like this: 7 times 5 is 35, and I am not moving this 4. 4 will be in the denominator, and you know that when 35 is divided by 4, it will give you an answer of 8.75. So the value of A is coming out to be 8.75, and we use the corresponding side ratios because this is a similar triangle, and in similar triangle we use corresponding side ratios to find the missing length. So now moving on to B, I can also find the value of B by using the same concept. So this time I will take B, so B will be in the numerator, and I will just compare this side with its corresponding side. So this is B, so this will be the corresponding side, which is equals to 10.5. So I will just write 10.5 in the denominator, and then equals to, I have to use one more. Either you can use the value of a, because you now know the value of a. You can also use the value of a, and you can compare a with its corresponding side, or you can also use 7 and 4. So 4 will also be in the numerator, and then I will compare this side with its corresponding side, which is 7. So this will be 7, and just cross multiplication technique, this 10.5 will be go on 4. uh, so this will be 4 multiplied by 10.5, which will give me an answer of 42. 4 when multiplied with 10.5 will give me an answer of 42, and I will not shift this 7. I will keep this 7 in the denominator, and I know that 7 and 42 both are divisible, and 7 times 6 is 42, so the value of B is coming out to be 6 centimeter.